Hello friends, I am fine and I hope that you will be also fine. Today's story topic is Lehri. Please put on the nice comment, press bell icon and first of all you subscribe my channel so that you will receive my video easily. Thank you friend. Friends, Lehri was born on 2 January 1929 in Kanpur, British India. After independence, he along with his family migrated to Pakistan and settled in Karachi. He performed on radio and stage before entering the film industry. Lehri acted from the late 1950s until the 1980s. He won the Niger Award 11 times for various films between 1964 and 1986. His first film, Anokhi, was released in 1956 and his last production was Dhanak in 1986. The vast majority of his films have been in Urdu. Though he did perform in a new Punjabi film production. Lehri's throat was the cube and his monotone. His audience became used to finding a brand of quiet, almost superior humor. Two characteristics of his fans, he returned from the style come to personality to the decency of time gone by. After the mid-1980s, Lehri was reduced to occasional appearance on television and newspaper columns. By the time private sector television arrived, through the film industry was struggling and all that it have once occupied was looked upon both with a sense of loss and fast forwardness. Lehri retired in late 1986. After his retirement, his health started destroying. Then Prime Minister Benazir Bhutto set up a monthly stipend for him Rs 250 lakh of his which continued to receive until his last days. However, there was no increase in amount until his death. He died on 13 September 2012 in Karachi, aged 83, from lungs, kidney and diseases, diabetes, high blood pressure and heart issues. He had been under treatment was venereal due to prolonged illness in private hospital at the time of his death. So dear friends, how you like my video? Tell me in comment box. God bless you. So friend, bye. We will meet in the next video. Allah Hafiz.